How to export Snapchat photos to your camera roll cleanly. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Then, click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen, which will lead you to this page. In here, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then, in here, scroll down and click on Memories. After you're in Memories, click on Save button. After you've clicked on Save button, click on Memories in Camera Roll. After you've done that, you can go back to Camera in Snapchat, take a picture or a video. After you've clicked a picture, simply click on the Save button at the bottom left corner of your screen. After you've done that, you can go back to Gallery and you will see the photo you just saved in here. This is how to export Snapchat photos to your camera roll. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.